Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I am showing you this pretty textured popcorn headband. It's a simple 2-row repeat and perfect to keep your hair away from the face. These are the popcorn stitches and this is the lace pattern. To start the headband, I am going to use a 5mm hook and the medium weight acrylic yarn. The foundation chain is multiple of 8 chains plus 6. Now I made 14 chains, and on the 4th chain from hook I am going to make a double crochet, and in this next stitch also going to make a double crochet. Then I'm going to make a chain 1, then I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and going to make a popcorn stitch. To begin the popcorn stitch, we are going to make a 5 double crochet. 1, 2, this is the second one, third, 4 and 5. Now bring the loop a little longer, then take out the hook, then insert the hook in the first double crochet, then get that loop on your hook. Then we are going to bring it through that first double crochet, then make chain 1. We will make one more popcorn in the same stitch. So we made 2 popcorn stitches separated by a chain 1 space on the same stitch. Then we made one more chain. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and we are going to make a 1 double crochet on each of the next 3 chains. That is the finishing of row 1 of the pattern. That's the popcorn row. Now we are beginning the second row. So we have to get the height. So we make a chain 2, turn the work. Then in the next double crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet, and in the next double crochet also we make 1 double crochet. Then we make a chain 2 and make a single crochet between the popcorn stitches. Then chain 2 and make double crochet on each of the next 3 stitches. Here we skip the popcorn and the chain 1. And a double crochet on top of the turning chain as well. This is the second row completed. This is a lace row. We are going to make one more of this lace row. This is the third row of the pattern. Chain 2 and single crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 2, and then we are going to make a 3 double crochet. Same like a row 2. We are going to repeat row 2 one more time. So chain 2, turn the work, double crochets, then chain 2, single crochet on the single crochet, then chain 2, and we are going to make double crochets, 3 of them. 1 and 2 and 3. This is the pattern. So 1 popcorn row and 3 rows of lace. Then we repeat the popcorn row again. So this is the pattern we are going to repeat till we get the desired height, desired length. Now I'm going to use my yarn needle and stitch it securely. Now we are done with that. This is the lace and popcorn headband. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more beginner friendly crochet tutorials. See you with another pattern next time. Till then, bye bye.